Ooh. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I got this Starlink from Elon Musk. You're supposed to be able to take it with you when you go camping and everything else. So I'm gonna try it and see if it'll work. I don't know. We'll find out. Got some simple instructions. They go like that. Plug. Cable right here.
What else, son?
Satellite.
Oh.
So both of these ends are the same, so it don't matter which one go where. It's supposed to go up under the bracket and in the hole right here. There it go. Feel like it got rub on it, you know, for like a watertight seal. And this end right here goes into your plug right here on the back, right here. That's how that goes. But, yeah. I'm not gonna plug it up right now because first I gotta figure out how to download. They got a Q, what you call it, a Q code or a scan code. They got a scan code on this box, so a QR code on this box. I'm gonna scan it with my phone, so y'all stay tuned. Right here, it come with a manual. I'm gonna open up this manual in a minute, but I can't read that. You see that little bit of writing on there? I cannot see that. So hopefully the instructions are a little bit better than that. But I'm finna scan this code right here and download this app. So y'all stay tuned. But I want to show y'all this writing. Man, y'all see? Look at that. That's the only way I can see it. On my phone. I'm gonna have to read it with my phone. That's the only way I can see it. I cannot see this with my own eye. Ain't no way in hell you can see that. But I can see it clear as day through this phone lens. But I don't know. That's a lot of information, man. I ain't reading all that. Let me find out if it's a simpler way. All right, y'all, I'm still trying to figure this out. You're supposed to put the satellite disc where it get a clear view of the sky. So I put it on top of this trailer right here. So we're gonna see how it do up here. So y'all stay tuned. The internet moving pretty fast, so I guess it's working. I was getting on. I was sending text messages and sent the old lady some money and got online, and it was like that. Yeah.
Dang it, huh?
Usually when you send a text message, you gotta watch the bar go across and all that. I sent a text message, it went through just like that. Yep. So I guess it's working. It ain't got cool out here. I'm about to put something on my old noggin.
See what I did?
Man, that temperature dropped fast. I'm about to put something on my head, man. My jacket, I'm gonna put this on right now and go out here and sit with the old dudes. And come back in here and get to work. I got some videos I gotta edit. So y'all stay tuned. Yo, what's happening, people? Boss man CnB Outdoors. Hey, update on the Starlink Mini. So we've been using the Starlink Mini for about 4 days now, and I'm very satisfied with it, man. Before up here at the hunting camp, we couldn't send pictures, videos. We couldn't upload nothing on social media, YouTube, or nothing like that. But since we got the Starlink Mini, we're able to upload videos. I'm able to edit my videos while I'm down here and upload them to YouTube. So I'm happy about that. We couldn't do that before. You know what I'm saying? When you try to send a text message, you have to sit there and watch the ball go across a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Take you 20 minutes to send a text message. But since we've been running the Starlink, everything is snappy. It's snappy. You know what I'm saying? Videos upload, send pictures like that. We're able to send pictures back home like that. We kill something. So I'm able to send boss lady money. She need money. I can send it to her. You know what I'm saying? Or Apple Pay, Cash App, whatever. I can send it to her, no problem. So I'm very impressed with the Starlink Mini. I'm glad we got it. I'm not affiliated with Starlink, nothing like that. I'm not getting paid. So I just like sharing stuff with my CNB family, my fellow hunters. You know what I'm saying? That hunt, if you hunt in remote areas, well, your signal is not that good. The Starlink Mini, man, is working for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it'll work for you, but it's working for me right now. So it's a possibility it could work for you too. So I just like sharing the things that I use when I'm out hunting, camping, or whatever. And the Starlink Mini is one of those things, man. Hey, I like it. So this, I don't know exactly how much it costs. It's just an addition to what I already have at home. You know what I'm saying? I got the Starlink at my homestead. That's what we use out there because we got a poor signal out there. So Starlink sent me this to try it out. And I like it, man. It's working. It's working out here at the deer camp. The only problem, well, not a problem, but the only thing I didn't like, they didn't send no case, you know what I'm saying, to put the thing in. You know what I'm saying? It came in the box. Y'all see the box it came in. But if this here is a mobile satellite kit for you to use while you're traveling, why didn't it come with a case? You know what I'm saying? So that's the only issue that I have. So I'm gonna have to go to Academy or somewhere, find me a case to put it in, a waterproof case, you know, with the cushion on the inside. Give me one of those, and then we're gonna be ready Friday. Oh, and I still got the antenna up on the trailer up there. And the good thing about it, you don't have to put it up high. You can put it on the ground. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's not, as long as nothing is not obstructing the view, it'll work on the ground. You don't necessarily have to put it up in the air. You don't have to put it on the pole. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see this field out here? I can set it out there in the middle of that field if the car to reach. You know what I'm saying? So it don't necessarily have to be up high. So that's a good thing too. But other than that, it's working right there. But you have to download the app, and the app is real simple. You know what I'm saying? It's step-by-step instructions, tell you what to do. And once you get logged in, everything else is it's step-by-step. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take your cell phone, you gotta go up in the sky and all this here kind of stuff, and it tell you what direction to put your antenna in. So it told me to point my antenna that way. So that's why I got it. That's why I got it turned that way. Other than that, man, Starlink Mini is working at the camp, and hey man, y'all need to try it out, man. That's all I can tell you. That's all I got on the Starlink Mini. So appreciate y'all tuning in, and we out here in the wood, man. We making it do what it do, man. So y'all stay tuned. Peace.